Stop scrolling. These RGB gadgets will instantly upgrade your setup in 2025. First up, the RGB Cloud Light. This thing literally turns your room into a stormy fantasy scene. Super bright, super soft colors, and totally customizable. For setups, small upgrades make the biggest difference. This clean desk gadget adds that aesthetic touch and keeps everything looking organized. The Plasma Lightning Ball. Old school, but still insanely cool. It reacts to touch and fills the whole room with retro sci-fi vibes. This levitating bulb is one of the most eye-catching pieces you can add to a room. Silent, floating, hypnotic. People always stare at this. And finally, motion-triggered RGB. Perfect for hallways, gaming rooms, or behind your desk. It lights up exactly when you enter. If you love RGB gadgets, subscribe. I drop new videos every week.